Imagine a world where every young boy feels appreciated, feels heard, and truly believed in. A world where their dreams are nurtured, where their talents are celebrated, and where their potential is unlocked. Let's create this world together with the Excel Mentorship Program's 4th annual retreat, which will be held from 10 to 12 December at Nyanga National Park for the boys from Rusike Children's Home and Mutare Probation Hostel. Join us in supporting this life-changing initiative by giving a gift of an opportunity. You can make a difference by donating for this cause. Your generous contribution, no matter how small, can make a significant impact. It will help us cover the cost of accommodation, the cost of transportation, and all other necessary requirements for this retreat. Donate today and become a part in someone's success journey. Together, we can provide the tools and the space for the boys to develop into well-rounded individuals. We look forward to your support for this cause. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you.